Hey, it's Sherri, your local Scottsdale real estate broker. Today I'm taking you through the Camelot Homes models in the community of Aurora in Scottsdale in 85259. Hope you enjoy the tour. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content and leave any feedback or questions, and I'm happy to get back to you. Today we're inside the Vibrant Vibe model by Camelot Homes in the Aura community, located in the scenic 85259 zip code. This area offers not only beautiful desert scenery and outdoor activities, but also close proximity to top-notch schools, dining, and shopping. Right from the entrance, the Vibe's contemporary design and thoughtful layout impress. Here in the living area, the integration of indoor and outdoor space is seamless, thanks to these large sliding doors that open to a covered patio, perfect for the indoor-outdoor lifestyle that Arizona is famous for. Now let's walk through this dynamic kitchen. Notice the oversized island and the sleek modern fixtures. It's open to the dining area, making it perfect for entertaining guests or having a family dinner. Does the vibe resonate with your lifestyle? If you're interested in making this your new Scottsdale home or have any questions, feel free to contact me. And if you're just starting out your home search, keep following us for more tours of incredible homes in Scottsdale. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.